pick it all up and start again. You've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant. It's just medicine. It's just medicine. You could still be what you want to, what you said you were when I met you.
Yeah. At times I don't know where I'm going, I'm stuck looking back where I've been. All these friends who say they supported you suddenly vanish with the wind. When you've got nothing to lose and expected to lose, who do you look to then? When everybody wants something, who can you really call a friend? Late night stressing cause I'm guessing, can happiness ever last? Cause there's times it's really here, but remains inside the past. I've given everything I've got, but I always seem to crash. If life really gives you lessons, then I'm failing the class. Damn, so let me start again. I've been losing this sight again, been running close to empty, don't think I can start this car again. It's hard to achieve when no one sees you succeed. I sever ties with the closest ones who never believe. I've been broken down to pieces over a silly dream. Loved how my heart was ripped out for believing in me. Just a mic and a pen and all the places I've been. I don't regret where I am, but can we start again?
Pick it all up and start again. You've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant.
What's meant to be isn't meant to be. Just everything we let happen, been trapped inside our memories. The nights we stayed up laughing, I'm acting like I'm fine as if none of this ever happened. Like my body's sheared with armor, but inside I'm just collapsing. I know that you moved on and that's fine, cause so have I. But sometimes you reminisce of the feelings we made alive, and all those moments where you called me up at 3 in the morning. Can't tell you why I'm not folding. Am I provoking emotions? Was I wrong to try and save the thing I thought that we had? Or was I crazy to believe that we could piece it all back? Like broken mirrors, I don't think that we could see through the cracks. We could do this all again, I know I'd take this all back. So tell me, was it worth it with all the lies and the games? All the fights in the name calling, I'm sorry to say that these words are meant for you, but for me to ease the pain. Cause sometimes you do feel better when you walk in the rain.
Pick it all up and start again. You've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant.
Those moments where you realize all the friends that you lost, pursuing happiness but losing it to feeling so lost. When you're overthinking every night and you just wanted to stop, endlessly falling in forever and I don't wanna be caught. I know I said it was for the best, and why am I filled with regret? I've been losing pieces of myself, I don't know how much is left. I don't wanna ever clean this room cause I'll be the only mess left.